We'll guide you through how to schedule a one-off meeting in Calendly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Calendly website. Log in with your account details if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard. Look for the new event type button, usually located at the top right corner, and click it. You'll be prompted to choose between a one-on-one meeting or a group event. For a one-off meeting, select one-on-one. This will take you to a new page where you can customize your event. You'll want to give your event a name. Something clear and descriptive, like Project Update with Bob. You can also set the location, whether it's a phone call, Zoom, or another platform. Beneath that, you'll find the option to set the duration of your meeting. Choose how long you want the meeting to last. Now, here's where it gets specific to a one-off event. In the date range section, select single use. This option ensures the meeting link is only valid for one scheduled appointment. You can then pick the specific date and time that works for you. Be sure to adjust your availability if necessary so that you only offer the time slots that suit you. Once you've configured everything, click the next button and you'll enter the invitee question section. You can add any questions you might need your invitee to answer before the meeting. Finally, click save and close and your one-off meeting is ready to go. You can now share the link with your invitee to schedule that specific time. Remember, since this is a single-use link, it offers a personal touch and keeps things exclusive to that one meeting. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.